Hey guys, so this is some more Bee Swarm Sim, and let's go down. I know I filmed a little bit, but it didn't actually record properly, so I just bought some bee beer. Write down if in the comments if I should get the 2 times honey making speed or the 2 times bee pollen, which one I should get. Okay, let's get right into it straight away. I know I'm not very good, you'll see me. Yeah, what's this? Yeah. Is it? Okay. Here we go. We're getting in. We're getting in. It's upgrading. Load. Please. Please load. Close. I just bought tons of Robux. Okay. Connecting. Connecting. Just load. Just load. So we've got the bee, the Fontaine bee. I think it is. Brave bee, the basic bee. I don't need to download and install Roblox. Play, save, who cares? Guys, this is just lagging a little bit. In case you can't see. Start in Roblox. Oh my god, this is the first time it's ever done. There we go. Sorry if you're gonna hear my mum. Eat. Except who cares? Hurry up, load. Woo. Let's claim the hive. Work key. There we go. So, have I got my BB? No, I do not. If I go into my eggs, BB egg. And there. Yeah. Yeah. Turns me into a bear. Huh. Bear bee jelly. Permanent item that always transforms bees into a bee bear. You can only have one. Ah, with one. Let's go get some pollen. How are you doing, Black Bear? Eggs, blah 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 blah. 500 pollen, okay. 184. You know, if you could just see it like as if it's snow. Ah, just good. But it's laggy. Like honey. I'll be playing this off like when I'm not filming. But here is the baby. I'm gonna actually go up, go down, buy ourselves a diamond egg. Work. Work. I think it's just lagging. If I just leave it, it'll probably just pop up on mine. Oh, there we go. Everything's loading in. Oh, there's a shop. It's loaded in. Oh, yay. Diamond egg. Nah, actually, I'm not going to. If it pops up on my screen, I'm going to, but this is not really pay to win. All it is buying the bee beer, like the beer, I always think those. Oh, wait, honey. I'll turn back into my. Hopefully by the very end, the graphics would have loaded, because the graphics are very slow.